We're seeing a pretty difficult day for the Australian share market. In the morning, the SPI futures were suggesting a fall of about 6 points on the back of the S&P 500 falling about 0.2% overnight. But here on the Australian share market, we are seeing some heavy falls of 1.5%, and it is the worst performing market around the region. In the top 20 stocks, only one stock is trading higher, and that is Telstra. The worst performing sectors on our market are the energy and the material sector. The consumer staples and the banking space also coming under some heavy fire this afternoon. Having a look at energy, which is the worst performing sector, and we did see oil prices in the US falling by 7% overnight. That's the 12th consecutive session of losses, and it means that since early October we've seen oil prices dropping by a huge 25%. As a consequence, we are seeing energy stocks coming under pressure. Stocks like Worley Parsons and Beach Petroleum down by about 5%, but of course that fall in oil price is good news for transportation stocks, and stocks like Qantas are trading up around about 1% on the market. It's also AGM season, and we are watching a few AGMs around town, including Bingo, Seven West Media, as well as Pact Group. Bingo as well as Seven West Media have reiterated their full-year guidance, and the stocks are trading higher by around about 1%. Seven West Media in particular has upgraded its cost savings guidance to between $20 to $30 million, and the shares are trading up 1.4%. However, Pact Group is coming under pressure. We have seen a downgrade there. The shares are trading down 10%. Previously, they had been forecasting EBITDA for the full year at $270 to $285 million. They're now forecasting that this will be around about $245 million, as the lag effect from the falling resin prices continues to have an impact on profitability. And finally, RCR Thomson was due to update the market around its earnings outlook as well as its funding position. The company has gone into suspension now, and investors have a very nervous wait to find out what's expected, and that's after its chief financial officer resigned unexpectedly last week. So keeping an eye on RCR Thomson shares, which are in suspension and not trading at the moment. But all in all, a pretty disappointing day for the Australian share market. Almost every single sector trading lower, and some sharp falls of about 1.5%.